Hey guys, this is a replacement battery that I got on Amazon for this ECOVACS robot vacuum. This is what the replacement battery looks like. It is very identical to what I have in this vacuum already. It is compatible with many different vacuums, including ECOVACS and Shark brands. So let me show you how to replace it, and then we'll see if we can turn this on. Go ahead and place something soft, such as towel or some mat, and flip the vacuum over. This is where the battery is located on this ECOVACS vacuum. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the two screws. So go ahead and remove those. Then lift the lid this way and remove that cover. This is where your battery is. Usually it'll have these pull tabs. Just go ahead and pull on them and remove the battery. Also press over here on this tab on this end and pull away this connection right here, just like that. And this is the old battery. This is the battery that I got as a replacement on Amazon. I will post this link below in the description, so check that out. It's a very good deal. Got this for about $25, and let's see how that works. This one has 2500 mAh, and that's what the original battery had. So let's go ahead and connect it with this little tab right here facing the tab on this connection. I hope that's clear enough of a... So if you try to put it opposite, it will not go in because of this tiny tab. So just like that. Push it in until it clicks, and we have it there. Then place the battery in here. Oh, you can hear it working already. That's awesome. Okay, let's put the cover back on and screws in. There we go. That over. Cool, we can see that the vacuum is working. Let's remove this towel and turn it on.
I am starting the clean.
Oh, and it's working. Let's turn it off before it rolls off the table. Anyway, that's how you replace the battery on this ECOVACS vacuum. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and check out more content. Have a great day.